In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money on Cash App without a debit card. Now, in order to do this, you will need a different payment method linked onto Cash App, which you could then use in order to actually send money. So here's what you would need to do. You would need to go ahead and connect a bank account, for example. So to do that, all you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on the profile picture just like so. Then go ahead and press on Linked Banks. Then press on link bank instead of link a credit card / debit card. So again, we're going to be doing this without a debit card. So let's go ahead and press on link bank right over here. And then from here, it is going to give you a list of all of the different banks. So let's just go ahead and press on continue right over here. So yeah, from here, you need to select on your institution. So go ahead and search for your bank. There's also a search bar as well that you guys can go ahead and use. And basically it is going to use the platform Played in order to basically connect your bank over to Cash App and then connect the two. And then once you went ahead and linked to your bank account, then you are good to go, because we're going to be using our bank account instead of a debit card to source the funds for our Cash App balance. And then using that Cash App balance, we're going to send that money over to people. So you would need to go over to the main menu, then go to the bottom menu and select on the dollar icon right over here, then press on add money. And then from there, you guys actually are able to go ahead and add however much money you do need. Just make sure that it is enough to cover how much money you're trying to send over on Cash App. So it really is up to you. And then afterwards, you should have your cash balance, and then you should be able to go ahead and actually pay people by pressing right here where it says pay. And then you can go ahead and pay like a contact, for example, on your device, or you can go ahead and pay someone via their Gmail or their phone number. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.